These are both sandwich duo forms, but this one gives you a much cleaner imprint, and many nail technicians do not initially notice why. I am Radina Ignatova, a professional nail expert and educator at Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy with online courses. Today we are going to look at why some sandwich duo forms can give a cleaner imprint compared to the others. One of the biggest difference is the cuticle area. These are from two different manufacturers, and this one here is much softer compared to this. So this one is much softer compared to that one, and the flexibility allows the form to sit closely and more naturally around the cuticle area. And this is one of the reasons some sandwich and upper duo forms appear much cleaner after application. But a softer sandwich duo form does not mean automatically that is better. We can see with this one here. So this one has a softer cuticle. In modern nail technology, in modern sandwich and duo forms, we have soft cuticle zone that allow us to give our clients clean imprint without any refinements around the cuticle zone. But pay attention when I squeeze this one. It's a bit hard to see on the camera, but it does still hold structure. I can feel the rigidness here, whereas this one I can easily just bend. So here in your stress area you have softness where you would need that structure, whereas this one holds the structure. So our cuticle zone should be thin and very flexible, but we need the rigidness in a medium level to hold a structure. So meaning that our entire sandwich duo form should not be soft and flexible. So we need the thin and bendy cuticle zone, and we need the structure onto the body and the free edge of our sandwich systems. So another misunderstanding I often see, many people think if I buy this sandwich duo form I would automatically get cleaner imprint. But the form itself only helps. The final result depends on placement, how you place the duo form, the sandwich form onto the nail, your pressure, your product control, and how the form behaves during compression when you squeeze the sandwich system together. So without you understanding the whole system, and I'm repeating a system on purpose, this gives you, if you know the whole system, how to work with them correctly, then you're only going to get the clean imprint. Just the duo form, the sandwich duo form itself is a tool. It helps you create beautiful nails, but you must understand how to use them. So why this manufacturer will give you cleaner results and clean imprint is because they have this very soft cuticle area, and then you have the structure of the body of your sandwich duo form. So they are designed differently, their flexibility and their balance, this is balanced correctly. I have another video where I'm comparing two different manufacturers. You can watch that, it's in my sandwich duo form playlist. And I also have a completely free sandwich duo form mini masterclass. Is going to be linked in the description down below, where I explain some of the most common misunderstandings and mistakes within the sandwich duo form system. And if you want to understand the system completely and how to work with them in depth, I also have a full online sandwich duo form class that covers structure, troubleshooting, product control, consistent application, and also very valuable theory for you as well, also linked down in the description box below. I am Radina Ignatova. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys very soon.